Hey guys, so in this video we will set up Biome in a React project. So Biome is a great alternative to Prettier and ESlint. It is written in Rust and it is significantly faster than both ESlint and Prettier. So if you're starting out with a new React project, I would highly suggest you to use Biome instead of Prettier and ESlint. And it is fast and easier to set up. In this video we will see how we can use Biome for linting and formatting our code. And at the end of the video we will also see how we can format the file on save. So let's start. So this is the dummy React project and I have created this using Vite, and now I will delete the default ESLint file, and after that in the package.json I will remove all the dependencies related to ESLint because we will be installing Biome. Now in the terminal we will write the following command. So in this, save dev means we are installing it as a dev dependency, and save exact means we are installing the exact version, not the range of version. So this way we will install Biome as a dev dependency. After typing this, press enter. After this we have to write this command. So what it will do, it will create a biome.json file. In that file we will write the configuration for linting and formatting. So here is our biome.json file. So here if I write formatter, and inside this I will write all the configuration for formatting my code, and in the linter property I will write all the configuration related to linting. Okay, so these are the two property that we will use to write our configuration for linting and formatting. Now if I go to app.tsx file, and here I will just unformat this file to use biome in the command line. Okay, first I will unformat this, and here I will write this command. So this command will show us all the issues related to formatting in the app.tsx file. Let's press enter. So now here we can see all the issues in the app.tsx file related to the formatting. And currently we are using default configuration from biome.json file. And I believe they are pretty much good enough for most of the project. Okay, so after getting all the issues in the tsx file, now we actually want to format it. For that, we will write the same command with dash dash write flag. So what it will do, it will just write in the actual file. Now if I press enter, we can see app.tsx file get formatted. And for linting, we will write the same command. Instead of format, I will write lint here and press enter. And here you can see all the issues related to linting. You can go through all of that. And one more thing I forgot to mention is you also need a Biome VS Code extension. I would suggest you to install a Biome extension if you want to use Biome with 100% efficiency. So I have already installed it. I just need to enable this. And after this, I will reload the window. Now here in app.tsx file, we can see all the issues in the file itself. Okay, so here is the issue. It says provide an explicit type prop for the button element. So let's say if we want to disable this for some reason. So for that, we have to see this thing over here. It says lint slash a11y slash use button type. So for that, I have to go to the biome.json file. Here inside linter, inside rule, I will write a11y. Inside that, I will write use button type, and I will turn this off. Yeah, and save this. And here we can see we can no longer see that error. Okay, yeah. So now after that, if I write a lint command with a dash dash write flag, and if I click enter, it will try to remove all the issues related to lint. Here you can see that command added the relation property in the anchor tag. And now what I will do, instead of writing this command again and again, I will just go to the package.json file and add this scripts. So these are the 4 scripts for linting and formatting. You can copy all these 4 scripts in the package.json file. So instead of writing that whole command, we will use this script. Now if I go to app.tsx file and just unformat this, and here in the command line, if I write npm run to format check, and here we can see all the issues related to the formatting. Similarly, if I write npm run format, it will format the file. Here we can see app.tsx is formatted, and Let's go to the biome.json file, and here we will create two different files for a configuration for linting and formatting. Okay, so two files will be formatter.json and linter.json, and those files will contain all the configuration. Okay, so let's create formatter.json file. So here in this file we will write the configuration for formatting, and here you can see I am not getting the auto completion in the formatter.json file. So for that you just have to copy this and paste it over here. This line specifies the schema for the biome configuration file. Okay, and now if I type something I will get the auto completion. And here I have added some properties, and for that you can just check out the documentation, and the documentation is well written and I would highly suggest you to check that out. And now let's create the linter.json file. So again in this file we will have a basic default configuration for linting. Now in the biome.json file we will import the configuration for linter and formatter. Okay, so here I will delete these two things. So here I will write extend linter.json and formatter.json. Okay. And now let's go to the app.tsx file, and here we can see an issue because we are using the default linter configuration. Yeah, so that's why we are seeing this issue. So let's try to manually resolve this. Let's add type equal to button, and yeah, it's gone. Okay, so that's it. And now let's see how we can lint or format or 5 on save on clicking control save. Okay, so for that you have to go to the settings, and here write setting.json, and yeah, go to the edit in setting.json file. And in this file we will add this line editor.format on save true to enable formatting on save in VS Code. After that, for TSX and TypeScript file, we will add editor.default formatter biome.js.biome. Okay, we are using this, and make sure you have biome.js extension installed in the VS Code. And now save this, and let's go to the app.tsx file, and here I will just unformat this and click control save. Yeah, so we can see it's getting formatted. Okay, on save. So yeah, that's it guys, and make sure you check out biome documentation as well. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.